When I understood I needed these procedures, or a procedure, we did extensive research on the internet, what doctors did, different types of operations, and decided from all our research, or we came to a conclusion after doing this much research. The conclusion was Dr. Bogosian of the STAR group, who had come from the Cleveland Clinic. The reason I chose Dr. Bogosian, I went and saw a lecture that he was giving, and it was very clear, explained what was going to happen, what type of apparatus was going to be used, and the pros and cons of different ways of doing the operation versus his particular way of doing it. And after hearing him and seeing what he was describing and explaining, my husband and I decided he was the guy for us. I couldn't be more happy I can walk, and that was the main problem. I'm delighted with the results. Couldn't walk, I couldn't play golf, I couldn't walk my dog, couldn't walk upstairs. It was a whole new beginning for me. Dr. Bogosian's staff was very friendly. They answered my phone calls, they answered my questions. I was very pleased with how they handled everything I needed from them. When my husband and I decided we were using Dr. Bogosian, I had a lot of questions and he answered them. He led me to believe that anytime I had a question, I could call him and get an answer, and that was absolutely true. When I was scheduled to go to the hospital, he was available. I saw him before the procedure and made me feel very comfortable that he was interested and certainly caring about what was going to take place. And then after the procedure, he was also visible, and I was alert enough to see that he had come to check on me. So I would say he did everything that I would have expected of someone that cared about their patient. Would I recommend Dr. Bogosian? I have recommended him to so many people. I'm very, very pleased. And he just knows what he's doing, and it's direct, very knowledgeable, and I'm just delighted that we did enough research to choose him as my doctor. I'm just delighted that Dr. Bogosian asked me to say something about his practice, because I think he's 2 thumbs up.